competition. Now it's time to honor our champions, the players who have dazzled us with their prowess on the court and have risen above the challenge to claim the rightful places on the podium. In the third place, showcasing great skill and determination throughout the tournament. Please put your hands together for Philip Legaspi. Mr. Philip Legaspi to the stage to receive your medal, cash prize, and t-shirts with our President, Mr. Ronnie Cruz.
Mag-abot sa'yo. Ayun na dun. Pero ulit ako na mag-abot.
Picture mo na picture. Okay. Aba.
Picture muna.
Solo. Yes! Basta wala, hello.
Hello. Moving on to our runner-up, a competitor who has played with heart and soul, not only missing the top spot but winning our admiration. Congratulations to Mr. Leonard Lorica.
4,000 pesos.
Okay.
Picture.
Sa taas, oh.
Ayan. Takot ka sa number 2.
Hello.
Dinard, picture pa tayo mamaya.
Nawawala.
Hello.
Salita kasi passing muna.
And now, the moment we all have been eagerly participating, our champion who has demonstrated exceptionally mastery of the game, outplaying all the stand victorious. Let's hear it from Mr. Dayton Hiso. Yay, Mr. Dayton. Hello. 10,000 pesos and medal and shirt.
Medal dito sa ano.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay, picture naman
Picture tayo kayo. Medalist.
Hello. To our winners, your dedication to the sport is an inspiration to us all. Your names will be etched in this.
Picture. Hello.
Wala.
History of this tournament. Hello.
Ayun na naman, t-shirt.
Picture ka, your t-shirt.
A special thank you to our organizers, sponsors, si Ate Morena, and the dedicated staff who have worked tirelessly to make this event a success. And to our audience, your enthusiasm and support have made this tournament truly memorable.
Wow, ang ganda naman! Parang gusto ko nang sumali para sa t-shirt ah! Ay, ako sa cash prize eh!
Okay.
Congratulations!
Lahat. Picture tayo lahat.
Dito, tayo lahat dito.
Madilim eh. Madilim.
Saan? Andito na lang sa net.
Doon lang sa net. Sige.
Okay, sa next tournament ha, Friday and Saturday. Friday, beginners. Saturday, intermediate and advanced. Oy, picture muna daw lahat. Picture muna, picture. Guys, teka. Ayan, lakas. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Tama yung dalawa. Thank you. Yes, dito. Thank you.
Iba talaga ito.